Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Do you love gaming on your phone, but wish you had better control? Imagine playing your favorite mobile titles with the familiar comfort and precision of a PlayStation 4 controller. It's totally possible, and it can dramatically change your mobile gaming experience. We're talking about a significant upgrade in how you interact with your games, making long sessions much more enjoyable and precise wherever you are. Before we dive in, let's make sure everything is ready. First, grab your PlayStation 4 controller and confirm it has a good charge. You don't want it dying mid-setup. Next, on your phone, open your settings and enable Bluetooth. This crucial step allows your phone to search for and connect with the controller. Don't worry, this method is universal for most modern smartphones, whether you're an Apple or Android user. Now for the exciting part, connecting your controller. Pick up your PlayStation 4 controller and simultaneously press and hold both the share button and the central PlayStation button for about 3 seconds. You'll see the light bar on the back of the controller start to rapidly flash, indicating it's in pairing mode. On your phone, in your Bluetooth settings, simply look for DualShock 4 wireless controller in the list of available devices. Just tap on it to finalize the connection. Once connected, the light bar on your controller will turn a solid blue, signifying it's ready for action. You can now launch your favorite games and enjoy a much more precise and comfortable control scheme. Many popular mobile titles, especially those with action or adventure elements, will automatically recognize and utilize your connected controller. If you ever run into a snag, like a dropped connection, simply try restarting your phone, or just unpairing and then repairing the controller. It often solves things instantly. With your PlayStation 4 controller now linked, the world of mobile gaming truly opens up. Some advanced games even let you customize button layouts within their settings, giving you ultimate control. For titles without native support, you might explore third-party mapping apps, though results can vary. This simple connection genuinely transforms your phone into a more powerful portable gaming console, allowing you to enjoy high-fidelity experiences with a familiar and comfortable input. Now, you're all set to elevate your mobile gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.